Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Well, today guys, we'll be making Char Siu Chicken, which is Chinese barbecue chicken. Quick, easy and tasty. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. To make this chicken, it's best to use the thigh and boneless thigh. You may use the breast if you like it, but the thigh is usually tender and more succulent. For chicken, I'll be using thigh, and I've removed the middle bone. I've removed the bone in order for it to bake quickly, and the thigh is usually the best part to use because it's very tender. Now I'm going to make the marinade. For marinade, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of dark soy. I'm using 3 tablespoons because I'm using a lot of chicken. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mushroom sauce, to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dark sugar, teaspoon of ginger paste, teaspoon and a half garlic paste, teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, teaspoon and a half black pepper, some heat, so I'm using some pepper flakes. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. To get that signature red color, I'm going to use some coloring. Not much, I'm using about half a teaspoon, and that gives it that red color that you see on Chinese barbecue. Now if you need to add any more seasoning to yours, fine, add whatever seasoning you like. I've not added any salt because the soy sauce is very salty. Char siu is actually Chinese barbecue, and this is done in the oven. It's a very quick and tasty way of barbecuing. Now it is known for its reddish color, and it usually comes from the red bean curd. But because the red bean curd doesn't really have much flavor, you can always substitute that with food coloring. Now we cover and marinate overnight. Now the sauce will be used for basting, so it's enough for the 6 pieces. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes and gas mark 167. Now this is the next day and it's time for baking. Now it's marinated for about 15 hours or more. And now it's time to remove it from the marinade. We start skin side up, and we use a foil paper because it's very sticky and you don't want to damage your baking tray. So we use it skin side up first. Now my tray seems a little bit small because I have 6 pieces and I'm going to try to let them fit. Now the marinade, we're going to use it. We have to reduce it on the fire to use it to brush the meat. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Marinade that is left, we're going to put it in a pot and reduce it so that it becomes very thick, and that's what we're going to use to baste the chicken. Now this is what we want. This is the consistency that we want. We can turn our stove off now. Now you may use this to dip or to paint the chicken when you're finished. Now for the last 5 minutes, we're going to take it out of the oven. We're going to brush it with some of that reduced marinade and put it in back for 5 minutes. We keep the skin on in order to keep our meat moist, because we don't want it to dry out. Now you can choose to remove the skin after it is finished baking. We have to watch it at this point because we don't want it to burn. And remember, it has a lot of sugar from the sauce. Please remember, guys, to hit that like button. It means a lot. It's finished, and we're going to remove it from the oven. Let's take a look at how moist this chicken is as we cut in. Quick and easy and mouth-watering. Easy to make, why not try it? The meat was juicy, tender, and well seasoned. Now you may use the sauce over the meat, eat it with rice, whatever you like, or just as a dipping sauce. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.